guys, welcome all again to my YouTube channel. I'm Kajal.anshuman and today's video is about a basic makeup tutorial. So let's get started. So let's tie my hair. It's a very important part for the makeup because you don't want to spoil your makeup with your hair. And a hairband is must. Okay. So the first part is cleansing your face. So I'm taking here the XIMI Vogue makeup wipes, or you can also call it as cleansing wipes. So it will look like that. With the help of this makeup wipe, I'm going to clean all over my face. Lips, eyes, eyebrows, forehead and neck also. So okay, I'm totally done with the cleansing part. Now I'm going to moisturize my face, and here I'm using the Joyce Cream Fruits Moisturizer so that my face will be hydrated. Okay. Don't take so much amount of moisturizer. If you'll take more amount of moisturizer, it will make your face oily, and that's not good for doing makeup. And one more thing, that don't apply various products togetherly, because it takes time to settle it on your face. So wait before applying the next product. So I'm waiting so that my moisturizer can settle down into my skin. Okay, so it's all done. Now the second step after moisturizer is the primer. So even you can also use aloe vera gel for the primer, but here I'm using Bae Primer that I bought from Purple Cotton. Primer is the most important step because it covers your skin and make a layer for the makeup so that your makeup can settle on the layer properly. It's the only reason that your makeup survive for a long time. And don't smudge. Make sure that you are covering the whole face with the primer so that it can cover your face properly. Okay. Now just blend it so that it can cover your whole face and make a layer for the makeup you are going to do. Now that moisturizer and primer, then we are going back to the base thing. So for the base, you need the perfect shade of foundation, whatever you are using, because it really matters that your skin is matching to the shade of foundation or not. So I'm using here the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline, and its shade is 228 Soft Tan. Okay, so since my all blenders is really dirty, so I'm using this as a blender. Okay, you can see the shade of my foundation, and now I'm going to apply it. Make sure that it is covering your under eye also. And the most important part that a foundation can cover is because these are the most dark parts, or you can say that a large amount of foundation is needed so that it can cover your blemishes. Okay, for the patches I'm done, and now I'm going to use this foundation brush that I have bought from Amazon.in. Through the help of this brush you can blend it down. So let's blend, 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 blend. You just need to tap, tap, tap. Do not rub it on your skin. Okay, you are blending it, so make sure that you are tapping it. Even you can do this from a blender, beauty blender also. As you can see, the foundation has already blended all over my face. Okay, let's give some time to the foundation so that it can settle down, and let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll start the next step. Okay, now the next step after the foundation is concealing. So why concealing? Concealing is important because you need to do it for hiding your dark circles. So only a really few drops, or you can call it 1 to 2 drop of the concealer. The nose, under the eyebrows, the eyelids. These are the parts that are darker than your skin tone. Okay, so now the same step after applying the concealer on my eyelids, on my dark circles, on the chin area or the lip area, and now I'm going to blend it. So talking about the concealer, it is also by Maybelline Fit Me, and the shade is 40, and that is Caramel. I bought it from the New You About You store near to my place. So blending takes more time, and you need to blend carefully because it all depends on your perfect makeup. Okay, so the blending of concealer is also done, and now let's get started with the eye makeup. And the makeup is all natural, and so I'm not going to add any glitter or any other thing. So let's get started with the eye makeup. So for the eye makeup, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsession, and the brush is by Fulzy that I bought from Amazon. So you need to take this shade. that is matching to your skin tone, and this color is similar as my skin tone, so I'll be using this one. For a natural makeup or for a daily makeup or for the, you know, nude makeup, you need this eyeshadow really badly because it gives you a color like this. I'm going to show you the swatch. So here is the swatch, if you can see it. So it's really nude in color and it will surely match your eye. So I'm not going to make any eye makeup look because it's a daily makeup look. So for the daily makeup look, you need a kajal for enlarging your eyes, and for that I'm taking Lakme Absolute, sorry, it's Lakme Iconic, and the shade is black. Okay, so I'm done with my kajal. As you can see that I have highlighted more in the end. You can also do this and it will help to enlarge your eyes. So I'm done with the kajal. Now I'm going to put some eyeliner on my eyes, and this is also by Lakme. So okay, I'm done with the eyeliner kind of thing, as you can see it. I've given a winged kind of thing, or you can also call it winged eyeliner. So now the next step is applying the mascara onto your eyelashes. That will increase the volume of your eyelashes, and for that I'm taking the Lakme Iconic mascara and the shade is Intense Black. So my mascara has also taken the wide volume of my if you can see the eye look and the makeup. Okay, now going again to the next step related to the eyes. Is the eyebrow. So for making my eyebrows or darkening my eyebrows, I'm here taking the Maybelline New York powder pencil, and the shade is, I guess it's brown. Yeah, there is no shade number written here on this pencil, and I know this is brown. So first open this pencil and give a shape to your eyebrows. So okay, I have already did the pencil part on my eyebrows, and now I'm going to do the powder part. So opening the next side, you'll see like that. Okay, don't darken your eyebrows too much, otherwise it will look so odd. Okay, so eyebrows are also done. You can also use the black pencil, but my eyebrows only suit the brown one. So I tried, so I always use this brown eyebrow pencil and powder by Maybelline New York. And now the next step, and the important also, is the blusher. So I haven't applied any blusher from the so it's time to apply some blush on my cheeks. So for that I'm taking this SFR color Fantasy, in which everything is there only. You can see this eyeshadows, and highlighter, blush. So it's really handy kit, and so I use always this palette only. So from that I'll be using this shade, and the shade is named as Sorry Not Sorry. So taking this brush by Fulzy only, okay, if it's looking like it's over, you can also blend it from a clean brush. Okay, so the blush part is also done, as you can see. Okay, now the last, or you can say last for me stage, is the lipstick. So I have actually I have thought of two lip shades, and my makeup is too light, so I decided this shade, and the shade is you can see the swatch here. Okay, so this is by NYX Professional. I have bought this from Nykaa only. So let's apply this. Make sure if your lips are not moisturized primarily, you should moisturize it before applying the lipstick so that it can settle on your lips properly. Okay, so in various lip shades or lipstick types, you need a lip liner, but for that I'm not taking any lip liner because the lip color is really dark, so you don't need a lip liner to line your lips. And so here is the makeup look, the natural or the daily, the basic makeup look is ready. And now you can give any hair look or hairstyle to you. Okay, my hairs are a little bit frizzy, but still I'm going to show you the makeup. So this is the all over makeup look that I have tried to give you all. So if you are liking this video, do subscribe my channel and keep watching, keep supporting, keep loving. Love you all. Thank you.